Hello guys, it's your girl Bianca Love Aim. If you're new here, you're welcome and you're watching House of Love where we discuss talents with nothing else but love. So feel free by striking on the right subscribe button down below and also on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. You can also check on my previous video on how I slice these veggies you see here. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make salad cream, the super simple way on how to make a rich and delicious salad cream. So stay tuned and don't go anywhere. So for the ingredients, we have 2 tablespoons of sugar. We have half cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of evaporated milk, about 8 milliliters of lemon juice, 1 egg, which I'll be using just the egg white, and 200 grams of sweet mayonnaise. And also I'll be needing some vinegar and some white pepper. So now I'm just going to add the 200 grams of mayonnaise into a bowl. And after that I'll add my 2 tablespoons of sugar and mix. And then I'll add the egg white and mix. And I'll add the vegetable oil. Mix. You add your lemon juice and mix. You add the evaporated milk and mix. And then you add the vinegar. Now you add the vinegar on how you want your salad cream to taste. As for me, I like my salad cream very acidic. And after that I added the white pepper. And mix. That's it, guys. That's your salad cream. It's ready and yummy, delicious. Wow, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and also do not forget to subscribe and strike on the red and strike on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. My God, this vegetable salad is divine as usual. It's sumptuous. It's heavenly. As for me, I can eat vegetable salad on a daily basis. I just love this stuff so much. Alright, so see you guys in the next video. Let me enjoy my salad in peace and not in pieces. Thanks for watching. See you guys. Goodbye.
Seeing eyes of mine, seeing eyes of mine. What do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing